All right, this is the workbench. Notice the beer. Soldering iron. Basically, I've rebuilt the board. I had multiple packages come in today. Lots of fuses, a lot of replacement things. Got replacement things that just in case they didn't work. Connectors, edge connectors, things like that. Very concerned about multiple things. These are the old capacitors. I'll get to the final product in a minute, but these are the old capacitors I took off, and this is the old bridge rectifier. This was the problem part that I detected earlier that wasn't working. That's like the repair kit. They tell you where all the capacitors are and stuff like that. And going over to the actual patient here, I also use galactic background as a workbench too. I have more parts here. I've got replacement bulb sockets, springs that I may or may not need yet. Inside here, this is the cover for this, but inside here are a bunch of, you can't really see it obviously. That's a pink cloth, that must be for cleaning, but there's the replacement bumpers to it, because Pinbot was always white, and I'm like, we're going old school with white. This is the battery save that I'm going to eventually install. The actually original game took 3 AA batteries to hold the high scores and hold the settings. So they would put in like how many coins they want per game, or if it's on free play, and then high scores, and they had to keep the circuitry going with the batteries. And this is a replacement to use CR 2032s. That's a replacement latch I got to put on eventually. The latch, well, not replacement, though, actually just one I haven't got yet. This is, and I'm coming over here, like that latch I'll show in the back here. That latch is gone. That like was gone, and that's not good. I'm probably gonna have to repair that, like some Bondo maybe or something like that, and just clean it up. This might have to stay. Oh, we'll see. This is back bumpers. So I took the glass off. You can see everything. I'm super excited right now because this is my first test. I don't know what's going to happen. So this is the board I rebuilt. There's the all new capacitors and stuff like that. And there's like 8 of them. I replaced all those. I replaced this thing right here. This is the bridge rectifier. And this fuse was blown. I also did this little mod here. I saw a video, and these are other bridge rectifiers, but these are exact same parts as this up here. And I saw a mod saying you should do this fuse blown fail safe, because eventually, or not eventually, if one of these fails, it'll send power and it'll burn the wires. So I was like, that's bad. So I wanted to do that. So I put in the fuse holders and soldered in the wires on it. It's pretty solid. I haven't seen the board on, but if the board works, these lights should come up and you'll hear some noises. This is the most terrible backboard I've ever seen. Look at the Bondo they put in here. Like, they broke the wires here. That bulb will never light, of course. I don't know if you can see it in the side, but somebody really fucking half-assed this board. I ordered a new one on eBay. Somebody was selling replicas of this board for 80 bucks, and I talked him down to 60. So that one's on its way, and you can see how bad it is. There was paint, like that's not fire, that's actual paint stain right here. It's so stupid what they did, but it's terrible. You can see the paint and stuff. This is what latches it on. If this works, you'll see factory settings here, and that's a good sign. That means that it's in like it wants you to set your coins per game and all that crap and whatever you want to do. And I have to read more about diagnosis and loaded. You can see that half these bulbs are. This is supposed to be bulbs here. Those look clearly burnt out. Even if this lights up, I'll be impressed if any lights work on here. Same with down here. So the glass is off. I'm gonna do my first test here, and I'm nervous because I haven't turned this on, and what if it starts smoking or something like that? And that'd be bad. So the switch is down here. I also put in a fresh tray here to count the coins, which is probably, feels like it's not secure yet. I feel like I'm missing something, but that's the least of my worries. So, all right, we're gonna do this together. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I see a red light. Oh, that's good noise. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh my God. How many lights are lit up? Oh my God, I can't believe half those lights are lit up. I'm surprised as fuck. Holy shit. Holy shit. Fucking, that's good. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh yeah. That means we're in diagnostic mode kind of thing. Well, that's good. Those wires are all live right now, so don't touch those. I hear a humming noise. I think that's coming from the speakers. And that's probably normal, and that could be fixed later. Or maybe not at all, because that's kind of authentic. Okay, so what's supposed to happen is, I'm gonna close this just temporarily. Okay, how that dangles there, it feels not right? But whatever. I'm just gonna tuck it in there a little bit, just so it's not quite so in the way. I feel like if I touch one of these bulbs, I'm gonna get electrocuted. Oh, that one needs to go in there. And there, I think it's locked in. Yeah, it's locked in. Okay. Feels flimsy, but that doesn't feel right either. Something we're missing here. What we're going on here? We're trying to catch this onto here. Failed test here, or failed elder. All right, now that's locked in. All right, so it's not going anywhere. So it says factory settings, and there's some buttons down here. I can push buttons and make things happen, hopefully. Let's see what happens. That does nothing. Oh, that did something. I don't know what that means. Level 3, maybe. 1 day later. Left coins. Okay, I don't know what any of this stuff means. I think you can change how many credits per slot. Something like that. Percent or, I don't know any of this. I have to look up the manual. The manual is actually really good, and this will tell me everything. I don't know. That must be like how often you can get matches at the end of the game. Yeah. Extra balls. I always want extra balls. You never know when you lose a ball. I don't know what AU16 percent. I still don't know any of this stuff. So these are all interesting. This is like how many games you played, I think. Like just kind of, I don't know. This is like data basically saying how much things happen. So this is basically like diagnostic mode. So what you're supposed to do, and we'll try this, you're supposed to switch it on and off really quickly, and then it jumps into normal mode. And it would stay like that if we had batteries. I don't have batteries, but let's just jump in and see what happens. I'm gonna switch it on and off real quick. Oh, that's a good sign. Oh my God, it's kind of high scores. It's kind of fucking high scores. Oh my God, that's fucking so sweet. That was a good. Oh my God. Give me sight. He wants to give him sight. So the goal is to get up and put 2 balls up in that visor area, and that gives you sight. Oh my God, those bulbs do work. I did not think those bulbs were gonna work. That's fucking cool. Okay. The playfill is lighting up. It is in its attract mode right now. That is fucking awesome. Where this grid is lighting up. Ooh, looks like we have 1 bulb out in the red in this top center. Oh my God, this is so fucking cool. And we got 1 out right here. So this one's out and this one's out. No big deal. I have replacement targets coming up for that later. But we are in theory, we could start a game, and I'm gonna see what happens if I coin it up. So we coin it up and hit this little lever here. That's 2 coins. And reach Jupiter for special. Oh, the game fucking started. Oh my god. Oh, there's no ball. The flipper works. That's cool. The ball didn't pop out. I can see the ball there. The ball's not popping out. Oh my, that's really fucking cool though. That's something to be determined next time, but holy shit. Successful shit right now. These flippers are nice and these flippers are tight. I love it. Awesome. Well, that's gonna wrap it up. I have to now. Oh, it's trying to kick a ball out and it's not working. So it's mad about that because the ball's not coming out, which is fine. I didn't really want to play a game anyways. Actually, I really did, but wow, so fucking cool. All right, next time, I'm not gonna worry about that ball thing right now. I might. The targets need. Actually, that'll probably be the next thing with Chaco because that backboard's not gonna be back here for a few days. Oh, there it goes. It worked. Oh shit. Okay. 5,000. I can't do this in one hand, can I? Oh, that. We're not level. Oh, I did terrible. Okay, let's see that. Oh, there's a bonus. Yeah, the ball's not popping out very good. I'm gonna turn this off because I don't want to like get itself upset. But holy shit, sweet. All right, check me out in the next video. Later.